Well, you can do 200 a day, which is nothing, and keep what you have. And
I gotta get a body transplant.
when you start with less, gotta do a little more, and you know.
Cool, awesome.
Yeah?
I bet it's nice and
Right now?
warm, right?
So warm.
Might jump in there. Want to jump in there?
No.
Really now?
No. I'll pass.
You don't have to have mics on. You can do a lot of whispering.
How are your birds?
Really good. There's one for you right there.
Thank you.
Oh, that feels so nice. Thanks for making burgers.
I have the entire refrigerator full of condiments over here if you like.
Oh, sweet.
What do you want?
Yeah.
Nothing?
They're kind of dry.
They are kind of dry. That's why you had to eat them like we did,
With
which was
what?
like patty melt and tons of condiments.
What are you staring at?
Nothing.
You were like way into that plate. I was like,
No, I was just zoning out.
all right.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Cold.
But,
Can I tell you something?
yeah. Tonight?
Tomorrow.
Why tomorrow?
Oh, whenever. Now. How cool.
What are you talking about?
I have been officially hit by the ugly truck.
You see Splash? Tom Hanks, Dara Hannah, Splash 2. Just kidding. Shut up, Boogie. No, of course not. What's wrong with you? You're a weird kid, man. Fuck. Hey, I'm eating this cookie.
I'm fucking
Is it-
sick
is
of
that okay?
cooking and cleaning. Fuck this.
You want some? Yeah, you do.
It's really
No.
hard to set up my legs so I
Alright.
don't have to do this shit.
More for
I
you.
want a bite though.
Exactly. I'm gonna make banana cookie noodle wiggle.
Oh, wax.
I've been officially hit by the ugly truck. I don't care anymore.
You don't want that? You want to try condiments?
It's not good.
I thought it was
Did I
good.
just
Or go ahead, I'll eat
No,
it.
it's just
Don't throw that out.
dry.
I'll eat it.
You need to put some
Don't
mustard
throw that
in it.
out.
It's
Sorry, it's not anything, about your cooking. It's just dry.
oh, I'm just saying I'm good at this.
No. It's
I
not,
will-
you know what? It's not you. It's that meat. It's too lean. It doesn't have enough fat in
You
it.
kill it with condiments.
Sorry.
That's all right.
Sorry, I hurt your feelings. And he knows that my name is not Susan. I'm Blue.
Blue doesn't. Yeah, I'm kidding.
Cigarette?
Yeah, I'll have one with you.
I told the diary room that I quit.
What?
I told the diary room that I quit
I don't know,
smoking,
Boogie.
and then of course I
going
came out
on?
here and had
I don't know,
like
man.
4 other cigarettes.
What are the
Just
whispers?
now?
No, I'm like
what
a
are
while
the
ago. They're like,
Not, I mean,
oh, what
nothing
do
to
you
do
do
with
when
the
you're
game.
stressed
just
out? I'm
like,
like, oh god.
Cigarettes left.
like, hey, what was up? And she's like, nothing. And I mean, she could be lying. I mean,